Introducing Creole, easy to make products in the comfort of your home. I'm going to be demoing the coconut bread today, and this is so easy to do. You even get the yeast in the packet. So you start by emptying the packet into your bowl, add the yeast to your lukewarm water, give that a mix and allow it to sit for 5 minutes. In the meantime, give the flour mixture a mix because you want to distribute the coconut pieces throughout the flour that's in there. Then we're going to add melted butter or softened butter and mix that in, and then we'll add in that yeast mixture a little at a time until it comes together to create a soft dough. Always add your liquids a little at a time. You don't want to dump all in at once, because sometimes depending on the area you live, your humidity level would be different and you can use a less. So once you knead this really well and it comes together and it's smooth and soft, for about 6 to 8 minutes you're going to knead this and then form it into a dough ball and add a little butter or oil over the surface and cover and allow this to rest for 20 minutes. Now after it's finished resting, you'll go ahead and press down on the dough. It's risen quite beautifully and it feels so soft and supple. Create 2 dough balls and we're going to grease our tray that we're going to bake this on. So I used butter. I'm going to open out the dough balls. Now you can open this out as thin or as thick as you like. We prefer to go for a thinner bake, and I'm using my fork to add those indents that the coconut bake is known for. I'm going to let this rest for just 5 more minutes until the oven is up to temperature, which is at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And now it's time to go into the oven and bake for 30 to 35 minutes, and when it's done, it's going to be brown and beautiful. I'm placing it on a wire rack so it does not sweat at the bottom, and then you can go ahead and cut these into quarters and you can enjoy this hot bake. Just look how spongy and soft. It's amazing, the quality of this product. Cut it into quarters. You can use butter or you can use cheese, and then you finish off with some Trini pepper sauce and enjoy. Now I have a second product I want to share with you, and that's for their fruitcake. A really rich, dense, decadent fruitcake. It's not overly spiced and it's not overly soaked in rum. It just has the perfect amount. So I hope you guys check out Creole products. I'm going to leave the link in the description box to you all. Click on it and show some love to this woman-owned business. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Now it's time for me to enjoy.